Now, I'm 110% confident to tell you this that 2026 is the year we are producing worst coder ever in human history. Since we started coding, whether you talk about Web3, Web2, smart contract, function development, we are producing worst coder in this year. They have 0% understanding that what exactly happening in the code. They are very happy to develop a simple project using with the prompt and they think that they know coding, but they have 0% understanding absolutely. And that's what exactly happening right now in the industry. We are lacking quality developer can understand the infrastructure, understand the protocol, go deeper into the project and to build something powerful. Because recently when I was hiring one candidate for one of the auditing firm, I have noticed that he built an amazing project giving the prompt with a purple design in the front end side and included the basic features in the smart contract. But when I asked about the logic, he was absolutely blank, 0% understanding that how they have built it, what logic he is implementing, what are the feature is there in the contract and how the entire model will work. I gave him a simple question, just build a smart contract which will deal with ICO contract cell and it will have the vesting function. So I don't want to release the entire contract at once. I want to release the token gradually to the investor when they will invest the fund in the contract. And the logic he implemented is absolutely mind disturbing. It was absolutely disturbing to see that in the portfolio, the kind of features of the project he included, he has 0% understanding. I don't want to go into this and demotivate the developer, those who are using this AI tool excessively, but you can use it. There's no problem in that. But you have to understand that what exactly happening in the code. Because if you look the nature of the AI, it's designed to give you the faster response, to build you the feature as fast as it can. And in that scenario, what happens? Sometimes it neglect the entire security part. It's good to write 100 lines of code. It's good to write 1,000 lines of code. But once your code will grow to 2,000, 5,000, 10,000, 20,000, there you will have a lot of problem. So don't be in this imaginable environment that you think that you can wipe code, build a project and you will get a job and internship. You can satisfy yourself. Absolutely. There's no problem in that. You can satisfy yourself that I have built this one. I've seen a lot of you are just posting videos about a purple design of website, absolutely 0% understanding of the code structure. You're losing your job because you are constant with your work, which you are doing in the company. If you already have a job, you are not progressing yourself. You have to understand that what are the area AI going to give the impact. So if you're working as a front-end developer, just changing the button color and you think that you're going to sustain in the market, you will not. You have to bring something extra on the table because right now the companies are heavily focused in the infrastructure, in the architecture model. This basic work can be done with the help of the AI. And when you want to work in the infrastructure level to secure a job, use the integration model into your pipeline, then you have to understand that how the system works, how the contract work. If you want to be a powerful smart contract developer, powerful contract developer or contract auditor, then you have to have the deeper understanding about the programming language. Without that, you cannot able to be that. You can generate the boilerplate, but if you think that that particular boilerplate will take you to the company, it's absolutely no. It's absolutely no. You cannot be in the company. You can satisfy yourself. You can tell yourself that I have built this, I have built that, but you can't. Still, why the companies are hiring? If you look at the job profile for top AI companies, they are hiring still developer. They still need the good developer who can know the system, who can go deeper. Now the system is changed. The basic work can be done with the workflow, with the AI model. And when you want to use this AI model efficiently with higher frequency, higher efficient model way, you have to know that where you have to use the button, where you have to use the attributes, how you have to apply the attribute, what are the portion we need to remove the attributes whenever we're building any element, whenever we are building any logic. So you have to understand that. Don't be in your own imaginable environment. You think that you can just use the AI and you will be valuable in the company. It's absolutely zero. Mark my word. Not a single student we are hiring right now in our organization who are using wipe coding. They're not working in our field. We are hiring those developers who have the deeper understanding and we are giving this AI as a powerful tool so they can work in multiple projects at the same time so we can deliver faster, we can build the product faster because earlier we used to develop the product, it took us a month. If you go with a bigger product, it took more than that for testing all the validation. But now with a quality developer who have the understanding, we are giving this AI model so he can do that things faster and we can deliver that to our client. So there is a maximization of our project, maximization of our profit. We are using these tools. So again, I'm telling you that if you really want to be valuable, you have to spend time, learn again and again. I'm telling you, don't be in this particular trap of this AI model that they're going to do every single thing. Yes, they can do 80% of the work, but still 20% of the work you need to be done. We need the human brain who can control these models. Right now, the AIs are heavily focused on the existing code base. So right now, they're not discovering anything new. And that new discovery, we need to provide it. It will give us multiple options, but we have to provide that new ideas, new capabilities. Right now, what this AI model is doing, they're just taking out the, like 20 years ago, a code base, previous past code base, and just checking the models. They're running the test on that and they're finding a bug and they're saying it's very dangerous. Absolutely, it's good to find out the bug. But when it's come to the higher efficiency, when it's come to building something powerful, when it comes to building a valuable developer, you cannot deny the fact that you have to be the coder, you have to understand the programming language. Again, you cannot neglect this part. If you think that you can give the prompt and tell this is what I want, it's good for building a simple basic application in the front end side. You can use that in the front end side, there's no problem that. But when it's come to a system design, there is tons of things goes into that. Even in the front end side, you have to build the entire infrastructure in such a way so it can be scalable in the future. If you want to include any other features, it can be scalable. So that kind of things you have to understand. Again, I'm telling you, don't play with your future. If you are already in your CS degree, you are learning coding, it is the best time, because right now most of the 90% of the developers are busy in this AI tool, in this AI app, and they are absolutely confused about every single thing. And these YouTubers have played a huge role. Every single day they're making about the video, about the AP, about the AI, that this is the new big thing. One developer is making the thumbnail that this is there, this is there, this is there. Things will change, but you cannot go to the top without doing the basic work. If you want to become a if I want to become a doctor, I have to go through all the grades, 1 2 3, then 10 12, then I have to give the exam. These are the grades which build the foundation. You can say that I can simply learn the medical degree directly without going through this. You cannot do that. Exactly the programming in the same way. You cannot simply code and you can have that. If you really want to build a powerful system which can be industry ready, which you want to monetize, which you want to learn for hundreds or thousands of the user, then you have to understand that what exactly happening behind the scene. Again and again, I'm telling you, if you are absolute beginner, if you are interested in blockchain development or any technology, give some time. Give 1 to 2 months blindly. You have already given like 30 years of your time, 25 years of your time, or 20 years of your time, no matter what age you are in. You have already given a lot of time. Why don't you give next 2 to 3 months dedicatedly? Forget about this AI. Forget about this AI. Whatever you have right now, if you want to become a smart contract developer, blockchain developer, build the project. Build every single thing from scratch. We have a lot of projects on our channel. Pick that one, build it. When you will build 4 to 5 projects, you will automatically understand that how this entire system works, how you can build the data structure in the smart contract, how you can prevent the loop. Because I can see a lot of you are including loop, because you have no idea that what exactly happened when you will use loop in the smart contract. It's going to consume more gas. I can see a lot of unnecessary variables are getting added in the state variable, which is not there. You can take it into the memory and you can have the access and you can simply do all the calculation on top of it. So again, I'm telling you, build project, build project. If you're absolute beginner, start with crowdfunding, supply chain management, NFT marketplace, and Uniswap project. These are the 4 projects you must include in your portfolio, which will give you the foundation, what you need to become a relevant in the industry. I hope you can understand that what I want to say and what I want to convey to you. Don't get distracted right now. This one is a very crucial time for you. I want your 3 months dedicatedly on this skill, on your core programming language, whatever you are learning. It's not only related to the Web3 development or smart contract development. It could be a normal SaaS development, Web2 development. Just give your 3 months. 3 months. After that, you can simply continue with this AI tools, AI software. You can fabulously utilize it, and amazingly you can simply integrate in your pipeline. And you will be very comfortable because you already have the understanding about the infrastructure. All you can do, you can implement that one. Okay, I want my login credential in this way. I can go with the checking, validation, then I will check prompt injection, all of things I will check, because you have the understanding. You can say that these are the rules I want to implement. But if you don't have understanding, you can say that I want to have a login credential. So it will already do the validation check for the email and it will go ahead straight away. So that's the thing you have to understand. You can simply control the AI better if you have the understanding. Again, AI is absolutely fabulous for the code assistant, but you need to be master in your skill. Then you can able to control. Otherwise, it will be a uncontrolled tool where you will give few lines and it will generate the huge code base where you have no idea about the structure, and you cannot be 100% sure that it is the security, because security is the one area we give 100% focus and it's always in constant threat. So that's the thing you have to understand. Again, I'm telling you, that's the things you have to understand and focus it. Take a deep breath, give 2 to 3 months dedicatedly, build 4 to 5 projects from scratch. When you will build that, you will automatically understand the complete industry. Complete industry you will understand. So that's the only thing I want to say. If you have any question, any doubt, do it in the comment section. I'll definitely try to help in that. If you want me to have a give you any personal suggestion, just ask me the question. I'll give you my personal suggestion based on you, that what you are feeling, what exactly you are doing. I'll guide you. Just let me know in the comment section that how many are really willing to forgive your next 3 to 4 months on this particular technology with 100% focus.